And again, we look at other factors, that other inheritance pattern that's deviated from Mendelian's principle. That is on the issue of linkage. Another is linkage. Linkage. Okay, now Mendel used experiment. He experimented this inheritance pattern using Drosophila. Using Drosophila melanogaster. That is fruit flies. In this inheritance is in the hybrids. It ought to obey principle of the hybrid inheritance, but because the gene, the two characters of these genes are found on the same chromosome, and they are said to be linked. And Mendel tried to use this Drosophila where he studied two traits, but the two traits he had here differ from what he did with garden pear plant, where he obtained 9:3:3:1. After the second filial generation, he obtained 3:1, and that is a deviation. He didn't give that accurate phenotypical ratio because the genes, the two pairs of genes, are said to be found on the same position on the chromosome. The two pairs of character he was studying was the color of the color of the fruit fly, color. He was studying black and gray. Gray is dominant. Black is dominant. Gray is recessive. At the same time, he was studying vestigial organ like the wing. Vestigial organ, the winged. So there are two winged. One is long and then short. Long and short. So these two were dominant. These two were recessive. These two were dominant and these two were recessive. These two were dominant, these two were recessive. So but both are found on the same chromosome. So if this is dominant, that means it's coming as BB. Remember, uppercase letter. And if this is coming as dominant, it's coming as this. And if this is coming as recessive, it's coming as this. And if this is coming as recessive, it's coming as this. So these two gives you BBLL times BBLL. So because that these two pairs of genes, let me use this as chromosome. These are found on the same chromosome this way. The same chromosome times this, the same chromosome, the same chromosome, the same chromosome. So when the two pairs of characters are unwinged, separated, we have this separates this and this. So we cross between this, we give B, this, and this, and this give B, this, and this. So all black with long winged. Remember that Mendel will not always end in a first cross. He will always like to advance by selfing. So selfing the F1, the outcome of the F1. Okay, so from the selfing the F1 of that cross that are linked. So we have the parental genotype as half black winged and half gray winged versus black lunged and this. And so we have this black winged, half of gray, shorts, black, and half of shorts. So this is giving us black winged, and then this is giving us heterozygotes, black, and this gives us the same thing of this as black and gray, and then finally just give me BL. So from the outcome you find out instead of we obtaining ratio 9, ratio 3, ratio 3, ratio 1, we don't have that. What we have is ratio 3 is to 1, where we have 3 black lunged winged is to 1 grayish short wing. So that is 3 is to 1. So the inheritance deviated from Mendelian's pattern. That is on Drosophila melanogaster. And that is linkage. Any gene, any two pairs of character that is found on the same chromosome is said to be linked. And those genes are linkage. That is how this deviated from Mendelian's principle. And then, before we look at mutation, I'd like us to look at sex determination. Sex determination.